So we have a giveaway for you. If you can tell us, you know, Sumfest is celebrating a big anniversary this year. And if you can tell us which anniversary Sumfest is celebrating, then you can win some tickets to the show.
I know.
733-246-126. You call right now and win some tickets for Reggae Sumfest.
All right. And again, we start, they start 8 o'clock tonight. I'm going to give you a little taste of what you might see later on, because we have a regular Friday staple. It's called Rollout, where we have 3 contestants. They get a minute each to perform. Our judge this morning is from Portmore, the great Delia. I don't know if this is but I have Amadi, Granddada, and Nemesis. Sure. Amadi is first.
Our international judges, Delia. That's really what he wants to say.
All right, so we're going to do the little rollout bumper. Then when you come back, you'll hear from Amadi for a minute.
Roll out.
Roll out. Roll out. Make it hot. Come on. Let's go. Rock. Say what? Watch out, let me say good morning, Smile Jamaica. When you ready? I will say welcome to Jamaica Morning TV, don't it? Amadi again. Yo, them a wonder why my heart like this. Amadi a real artist, hey. And every time when me jump on a stage, you know, everybody happy want notice. Because them a wonder why my heart like this. Amadi a real artist, hey. And every time when me jump on a stage, you know, everybody start box, hey. Listen, me say me lyrically till them happy get a cut now. Cut over nuts for the look about now. Lyrical surgeon and me a cut now like PVJ. Just look at us now. Right now the competition gets sticky. I know me a go and the fans them a picky. Now me make me half of me lyrics as spitty. Mash up the place like Yannick and Miss Kitty. Cause them a wonder why I'm hard like this. I'm Mardy a real artist, hey. And every time when me drop on a stage, you know, everybody have to want notice. Because them a wonder.
Miss Amadi get 10 out of 5 a while ago.
We love it.
From Amadi said TVJ, just look at us now. That's it, Amadi.
But I only 5 we got to.
Yeah, but I have 10 out of 5 me a game.
All right, me have to go take charge of this boy. All right. Amadi, you get a full-fledged.
Full 100.
5.
Full 100, Amadi.
Granddada is up next. Run the track.
Boss.
Good kids.
Yes, we are.
What's your statement?
We no longer keep silent.
Silent of what?
Violence against us kids.
And who are you?
No more violence. No more violence.
They say black.
Clap. Kids against violence.
They say this, they say what?
So much troubles.
So much troubles.
So much troubles. Boss.
So much troubles in the city.
It's a pity who's in control of our destiny.
So much troubles in the world.
Making it harder for us boys and girls.
So much troubles in the city.
It's a pity who's in control of our destiny.
So much troubles in the world.
Making it harder for us boys and girls.
We need to talk. Situations getting way out of hand. Self-destruction is now becoming our nation's #1 problem. We got problems for real, and we all need to solve them. Starting with parents, had them taking control of their children.
All right. No, so me like the two man and Granddada come with something different this morning, bring the entire family.
Mercy.
Look like the whole community come with him this morning.
And that beat me, you know, because from you bring out the children, them, you know, you get
man,
my vote.
Me like it. So,
From you bring out the children, you get my vote.
So we say, Amadi dead? Is 11 years gone out of 5 now?
God of mercy. Then tie.
Them tie?
Then tie.
5 again. Well, there you go. No, man, the man bring him coming.
Nemesis, me don't know.
Nemesis, me don't know how you manage this guy. Look like you ever get about 43 for win. Run the track. Here is Nemesis.
Yeah. DVJ ever blazing. You know I play hardball or ball. These niggas ain't got no money at all. Come on, break them bands if your money got weight. You ain't scared cause your money got weight. Mansions in them hills with the yachts on the left. Triple it. We wreck them dollars like we Bill Gates. Diamonds move so fast, but I gotta count slow. I'm getting so many paper cause I'm stacking all this dough. Grinding and racking up a million's all I know. Never passed the money machine and I got my in the O. I'm one in a million, but worth more than $1 trillion. I see my name in flashing lights next to a zillion. They say I'm mixed with Brooklyn street more. I'm brilliant. It's the takeover. No, we up and out and drilling them. Break the bands if your money got weight. You ain't scared cause your money got weight. Matches in them hills with the yachts on the lake. Should've lick. We rack them dollars like we Bill Gates. Break them bands if your money got weight. Show them hands cause your money got weight. Diamonds on your wrist, you them girls wanna chase.
Well,
I love a hip-hop Montego Bay that a while ago.
some fest decides that them now bring no foreigner, but we just bring one.
You know, some Mr. Russell wicked.
That man they
Because
come
roll
from
out
Paris.
supposed to be one like an amateur try for
Yeah.
bus something. And then bring three some
Well,
fest
me tell you
artists
so-
come
how
for me
much
and
she
never
give-
this morning.
No, me I never. I judge me. I was. Well,
Ah,
you get Neville.
jeez.
You get Neville involved in this.
It's a
Maybe we should ask that man, Mr. Russell.
it's
Mr.
a
Russell, who you think
three-way
win?
tie.
Who you think win, Mr. Russell? Him said dead eat.
Three-way tie.
No, we don't have dead eat in rollout.
Well, it happened this morning.
All right. Well, you see, because the first man call up TVJ name and look at us now, that man they win. Amadi will take us out. Me just,
That's a biased approach.
me have to just
Mr.
take.
TVJ,
Look, Amadi, sorry I say you win because we're not ready for you yet, man. Sure, Amadi, look like you want to take over the show.
Amadi
We're not ready for you yet, Amadi.
does. Me think it three of them for sing peace. Come they like it three of them.
You're just a wimp. You need to make a decision. You are the judge. Well, I don't say Amadi.
No,
so
you can't.
take
Me,
off the man.
you think you can go to court, go tell judge say you is a wimp? You can't tell the judge say me is a no.
You cannot
goodbye.
take the man
no,
off
man.
my stage
All right,
again.
show done. Make a show you wimp.
Yeah.
All right.
Well, you think I
I
alone
left
can
you
make
to
up
say
face? Me no can ask
Monday
you something. Me no
morning.
business.
Goodbye.
Force me resign. When
Goodbye.
not seen me again
It's
till
all
Monday.
right.
Monday
Me need
before
my
you see
friend
me,
Bounty
resign.
to answer you
Is
this
what,
morning.
She's cross and
angry.
she's angry and she's miserable.
Miserable.
But it done. Thanks to Pier 1 for hosting us this morning. Thanks to the people in Montego Bay. And remember, Sumfest tonight starts at 8 o'clock.
And Red Stripe.
Right, and Red Stripe also, yeah. It is Red Stripe presents Reggae Sumfest.
Yes.
Me not think Amadi over there tonight, so no better listen to him good you know. See Amadi, we're gone. Tomorrow, 8 o'clock, Dwayne and Sakina.
Dwayne and Saki.
And you'll see me on Monday. We start at 6 o'clock.
With
God bless.
Simi.
Me say good morning, smile Jamaica again. Good morning, Jamaica. I always I want them always I want I know. Everybody Starbucks. I me say how them I wonder why my heart like this. I'm a real artist, eh? And every time I me drop on a stage, you know, everybody happy want notice because them I wonder why my heart like this. I'm a real artist, eh? And every time I me drop on a stage, you know, everybody happy want notice, eh? Me say me lyrically feel them have to get a cut now. Cut over nuts for the look of us now. Lyrical surgeon and me a cut now like TVJ. Just look at us now. Right now the competition gets sticky. I know me a go and the fans never picky. Love me make me hack up in lyrics and spitty. Mash up the place like Johnny and Miss Kitty. Cause them I wonder why my heart like this. I'm a real artist, eh? And every time I may drop on a stage, you know, everybody happy want notice. Because them I wonder why my heart like this. I'm a real artist, eh? And every